Talofa. I'm here at the moment at Tao's place when he went to get some water. He said one of those traps triggered. Dogs are alert. Got boars over there. Pretty excited. We're getting close to where the trap was set. We found it. It got caught in the trap, then it fell down the creek. Here it is. The snare caught him right on his hand. The dogs on it are trying to get to it. We really got him. We're eating pig today, people. We got him. Ang pingay ko kuin mo.
Mas po nga. May 50 lang.
Andrew's up there right now and he's going to loosen up the rope so we can actually get it. Here he is. Sorry, pig.
Mình quay bay phước. Dạ, quay phía đó.
We made it back up to Tao's. Watercress. Let's go. Well. So this is the boar that we caught, just prepping it, skinning it. That is lean.
Udong sa malipir ka ma. Ibu siya nang ngaway. Wala man ko otis. Wat po ya kakako. Agenali ko malo sila.
Oh yeah. We're gonna go cut down a palm tree and we're gonna use the leaves actually to make some roof sheets for my whaleo'o that I'm building up at my dome project. We found our palm tree.
Đã phá ngã lê là về phải đi là ngay đó và phá ngã với nó ngang
So these are the leaves that we use traditionally to make our roof sheet for our whales. Wow.
Không mới mấy đâu lại mới đi.
The leaf that we're going to use, a lot thicker and a lot wider than the normal coconut tree leaf. It provides a lot more coverage. Size comparison to my finger, hey? Look at that. It's got my index finger size. That's how wide it is. So I was weaving the roof sheets that we're going to use for our faleo that we worked on yesterday. All of this came from that one palm tree that we took down. So I was making a needle.
Kemarin mulai kakao lah. Kakao fa makut polang. Masih kiki. Kemarin mulai kakao. Kaki kakao fa makut polang. Masak boleh yang ini.
Akhirnya fa kau ini lawakas.
Di makan apa suka nanti kawin lagi. Oyo deh, orang oka deh.
Orang oka deh. Fa pau mai fa mut.
Kau dah masuk ni 10 mulut.
Nice and wide. You double up 2 palm leaves, it becomes just one thick piece. Look at that. And then after this, Kau said you're gonna put some blocks on it or some trees to get it nice and flat before we actually put it on the roof. You don't see this much anymore in Samoa. Most people build their faleo'os with roof sheets, metal roof sheets that you buy from the hardware store. But I really wanted to build it a traditional way. So I love the way it looks. Oh, they laid for the paco come on. Now the faleo, we're going to use these eventually next week. We're just straightening it out, as you can see. I'm going to show you guys what Ken's been working on. So I have had no hand in building the faleo. It's all been Ken. Ken's faleo looks like at the moment. So the leaves will go on there and on that side. Oh Ken, where's the faleo? So we had some leftover plywood that we just used to put at the bottom here. Joe and Andrew have also been helping a lot. Hello boys. So we're up here at my place. We caught the pig the other day. I got the prime cut of the pig, so I've got some ribs that I was going to cook for us. No fat on that at all.
Si fa kang bom. Fa ngai rồi popo á. Ta đi phụ. Để ngay phun mũi sáng. Rồi nó sai là một popo.
So, steak seasoning. Boil it just a little bit longer. Now cooking in the coconut cream jack here. We got some rice with this. Time to eat. Look at this. Kayo ko tao.
Oh, if go your car with can be I.
Yeah. Let's not hold back, eh? Let's just get straight into it. It's so tender because it's been cooking so long. The coconut cream tops it off. I want to go catch more pig. That's delicious. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.
Oh.
Bye, Joe.
Ah.